What is this?
지금 넥서스 섹터 방향으로 가는 외선 순환 열차가 들어오고 있습니다.
The outer circle line train bound for Nexus sector is now arriving. Please wait for everyone to exit before boarding.
What am I looking at? Stellar Blade?
Evie.
Yes! Stellar Blade वालों की गेम में
Scarlet Sin. That's the beginning and end of it all. How about you try taking a hit?
You're acting a little strange today.
Let's go भाई मैंने पहले वाली का डेमो खेला था यार पहले वाली भी खेलनी मेरे को मैं इसकी महंगी यार वो
Excited?
Stop saying weird things.
भाई मैंने टांगे देख के बता दिया था ठीक है
Okay, take it easy.
Quiet. They're moving.
I know when I see Stellar Blade okay
Initiating C3 sync. Ready, Angel.
Roger, Kenna. Tracking.
출입문
but holy भाई क्या लग रही है गेम ये what the fuck
How's it looking out there?
god damn
It'd be better for both of us if we got out of here quickly.
In the movies,
भाई
this is
this
always
looks
where things go
fucking
wrong.
good
Well, just saying. It's a cliche.
alright
Wait, the target stopped.
Hearken! The pulse rain shall cease!
ooh damn oh man boy, what the fuck is this shit sex away ooh lady हमारे हराम खा and she looks cute ass scene come on the ass zoom ins obviously alright it's time to play Stellar Blade भाई भाई क्या भाई I'm loving the setting the city भाई मेरे टाइप की I love this type की dystopian world में oh भाई exactly मेरे टाइप का stuff oh I'm gonna get this shit no I'm excited I'm hyped I'm sold let's fucking go and that dodging animation was sick damn yes god damn the ass I love ass ooh damn holy I'm just a happy man bhai god damn this is looking fucking crazy let's go bhai Stellar Blade Blood Raw Rain yes ooh